Welcome back everyone. In this video I will discuss another type of reaction, that is asyncWhen. It is similar to when reaction, but it returns a future when the predicate returns true. Let me move to main.dart, and here you can see I have written asyncWhen, and this is nothing but a predicate, but it returns a future. Now how to use this, that portion I will discuss today. Inside the lib folder I will create another new folder named as store, and here let me create a new file named as auth store. Now here I will create abstract class auth store with store, and I need to move to pubspec.yaml, and let me save this such that it will download the dependencies. After that, from here I need to import the required package, that is MobX. After that, here I will create observable variable, and let me give its name as boolean is logged in, and I will initialize this with the value false. After that, here I will create action, and I will give the name as login. Now here I will use future dot delayed, and here I need to specify the duration. Let me specify the duration as this seconds to and here I will set the value of is logged in equals to true. Here just I am simulating the login API. I am assuming that the login action method will call the login API, and if the login API is success, then the value of is logged in will be true, right? After that, here I need to use class auth store equals to auth store with this auth store, and here I need to use part auth store dot g dot dart. Now let me move to, there is no need of material.dart here, so let me remove this. Let me move to the terminal and let me run the command this. It will take some time to execute. In the meantime, let me move to main.dart, and in the main.dart here I will write the code. First of all, the runup method will be there. By mistake I have just deleted that. So here I will use const my app, this will be there. After that, here what I will do is that I will create the instance of auth store, final auth store equals to auth store, right? After that, I will create a function here wait for login, and actually inside this function I need to run asyncWhen, and let me change the return type to future of void, and this will be async. Now here I will use await asyncWhen. Now here I need to pass the predicate. In this predicate here I will use auth store dot is logged in, right? And after that I am printing a message user logged in. Now to run this asyncWhen reaction, I need to call wait for login. So I need to call this function, as well as to change this observable variable from false to true. I need to call the login function which I have created inside this auth store. So here I will call auth store dot login function, right? Now let me save this. Now let me run this, and once I run this, let me move to the console. Let me clear this and let me do a hot restart once again. You can see after 2 seconds it is printing user logged in. So this asyncWhen is similar to when reaction, but it returns a future when the predicate returns true. This is how we can use asyncWhen in Flutter MobX. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.